make a cassava cake, you guys. Yep, cassava cake, guys. It's so easy to make. I try to show you. This is 45 minutes. I steam, right? 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And look at that, how look delicious is that. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to have this. So just wait, when it cool down, I will show you how to cut and how to make them taste delicious. Just take it easy and take a rest and then make them come down, cool down, and cut cassava cake. Alright everyone. Okay, it's a cool down now, so we're gonna cut. Oh. Let's taste. So good. Nice and moist. Delicious. There you have it, guys. Beautiful. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, click thumbs up, subscribe. I will share with you more and more to make next time. This time, you know, my camera's not act right, so I gotta let go, see what happened. Next time I will show you more better way to show you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.